I have been unhappy with the quality of writing that my system is generating after I've generated a video. So that video process of building an interview, brief to cards, cards to a bundle, bundle to a presentation to a recording, that all works great. But now I want to derive a blog post. When I asked Codex and Claude to build me the writing part, they just went to town. Here's a hook, here's points, here's your story. I've been living with that, but now I wanted to improve it. So I asked 3 tools to take a look at what we have, and I had it looked at a couple of videos and PDF from a writing instructor. And what I got back was vastly different. That Claude basically gave me an essay telling me what was in the video and admitted that in writing the blog post the last time, there were some problems with it. Now on to Codex. I want to improve the method I use to create blog posts. I pointed at a couple of source materials, a PDF, and the video post that I was intrigued by. And Codex does a pretty good job telling me what's wrong with our system and what the recent drafts show. And so here's a new recommendation. It asks me to direct it to do what to do next. Grok, on the other hand, gave me a treatise looking at both sources against what we now run. I'll come back with specific workflow changes, not a generic essay lecture. Hey, I already like that tone. And it boils the ocean and comes down with what to do. Let's identify the reader, what the status quo is, the point, the cost benefit, 3 terms, section points, and what the video beats are evidence of not using it as an outline. And this is what in the publishing business we call a development editor would go through with an author and work out whatever they gave him and really start boiling it down into what a concrete bit of writing should look like. We are now in a place where we can build something that really is a piece of professionally developed writing. And of course, this is to generate a draft. And from this draft, I can just take stuff out. I can put in things in my own words. It gives me a structure that takes a reader from the video's points and packages it in a way that through a written piece will be more meaningful. And so it suggests why not go back to that Carmel piece and rewrite it. And I've got an entirely different piece that takes my last video, and the point is that the tools are coming home and we are going to have more and more devices and intelligence in homes. Now going forward, I'll have this system updated, the standards of practice, SOP documents that are in my folders on my machine, readable by all the different bots that I have looking at things like this. And I can generate writing in line with what I just saw on YouTube by pulling its transcript, taking what the author suggests, and now incorporate it into my process, not as me writing, but as me structuring what needs to be written.